No, I made it again the bush party. You see, this time I remedy me I show you I want all the people who want pretty up their face. Take off your bumper, like eat ration and something, you know. And your face will look pretty on your skin. Just use ingredient I use right now and make up a little remedy, you know. Them are king of the forest leaf, you see them? Cause king of the forest, I'm just use cup like king of the forest and put now a little pot like this, you know. I look up at them. I'm use Cersei, good for drink too, you know. So you remember the way I'm making up on your face, I rub it up on your skin, but they can drink as well, they can boil them and drink them. So we get some Cersei, you know. Yeah man. And then this you know, everybody used to that one body, you know, lime. Bust it like this. See it? I'm just squeeze it out so you see it. Squeeze that thing. So we deal with it. Squeeze it so. Yeah man. You have to know we got look vinegar. Yeah, so and look at it tonight. Look tonight so. Yeah man, they make it spicy, you see me? Soften your skin same time, make it thing soak in it and penetrate properly. And you have to know you have look vanilla. Get a good flavor, you see it? Sweet. Yeah man. Must say skin smells sweet same way. No smell, cut the smell, then after now you do a thing like this, you see me? You beat it up so. Yeah man, you beat it out. You don't have 5 minutes out of beat until it comes loose. Yeah man, your story, you know?
This some job. Good Julia.
Beat it out like that.
This some job.
You beat it out.
Yeah.
And make it turn juice. You know what I say? So you look green? Green, you look at everything and beat to make it green and it comes off. And just come to now, apply it to your face little, you know? Apply it to your face, that look like this and bat out and the juice will run out of it. So look, one juice. Like a green lizard. Now, come to now, rub on your face, you see me? Rub it on the face. Rub it on the face, make your face look green. Rub it on the face.